Thank you for your interest in TruTrade.io, the world leader in retail automation. We've got automated solutions that are completely passive, completely automated. We've got the world's best technology in terms of proprietary trend filters, news filters, AI-based automation, risk management, everything you could possibly imagine. So what we've done here is we have two main product categories. We'll start out with our chart-based, which you can see here to my left. So basically our chart-based software, most of you are familiar with chart-based software. Running the bot on a chart, load up the instrument, configure the parameters. We've gone a step further. Most companies just sell basic stuff that just turn it on, your basic settings. And when you run into any kind of low or high volatility scenarios, you just get hammered because the bot's not prepared to deal with those kind of situations. So with TruTrade, we've got filters that will basically adjust the bot's settings automatically around volatility. So if you're in high volatility, it'll take more out of the range. If you're in low volatility, you'll just not enter at all and actually protect your account from getting whipsawed. We've also got automated stops and targets. So it'll actually detect the range and move the stops based on the size of the range and the amount of risk. So you can dial in, for example, like a 1-to-1 payout, 1-to-2, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1. So you actually can dial the bot in to only attack certain situations when they meet your minimum risk management criteria. So you basically can configure your own solution, and then once configured, it's fully automated and turnkey. All of our chart-based bots come with easy-to-use instructions with pre-configured settings. So it takes about 30 seconds. You configure it to recommended defaults, turn the bot on, let it run. It can run 24 hours a day with absolutely no adjustments if you use the volatility shield and a lot of our proprietary filters that will keep you out of trouble. You also have the ability to configure the bots to do whatever you want. So if you want to play around with the settings, you can do so, but it's absolutely not required. Everything comes turnkey out of the box. Okay, so next we have our chartless automation, which to many traders is brand new. No one else is doing it in the industry, so it's quite common to get confused. So basically, a bot's a bot. Whether it has a chart or doesn't have a chart, it's still a bot. So a chartless bot basically has all the risk management built into it. It's actually an automated bot network that comes inside of one package. So it will trade multiple instruments any time of the day. It'll trade different types of systems and actually automatically adjust its behavior around market conditions. So if the markets are flying in one direction, let's say crude oil is flying, it'll trade that one. If the NQs go in one way or the other and there's movement there, it will switch directions and trade that instrument. So it'll automatically dance around different instruments and different styles throughout the session to take maximum advantage of where the opportunity is. So instead of you sitting there trying to figure out, okay, should I trade this, should I trade that, the bot's going to do it automatically for you. It's also going to automatically manage risk, which is even more important. Because if your risk management is not on point, it doesn't matter what you're doing. So with the chartless bots, many of you have a lot of issues, passing evals, maintaining consistent profitability because you don't know how to manage risk. So with the chartless bots, it's not something you have to worry about. It's something that does automatically. So if you're new to trading, you're a busy professional, you don't know how to manage risk, all of the above, just go chartless, press it on like a light switch on off, and that's it. So all of our products here at TruTrade come with our world-leading app. We're the first company to develop a mobile application to allow you to actually control and monitor and adjust your bot remotely. This is available for Apple and Android. Once the bot's installed on a VPS, you simply can access it via the app and control everything. You can view your positions in real time just looking at your phone. You can turn the bot on or off. You can adjust its settings, and you can basically manage everything on the go from wherever you're at in the world, anywhere, anytime, any place. So to summarize, TruTrade.io is the world leader in retail automation. We've taken technology from Wall Street, brought it down to Main Street. All the technology used by the big hedge funds and money managers is now available in your hands. 20 years ago, you had to have a multi-million-dollar institutional platform to access this level of firepower. Now, as we brought it down to an affordable price point for the masses, and now everybody can use it. So if you're not using it now, you're going to be behind. Stop clicking a mouse, start automating your trading, and get started today.
Hey everyone, this is Dan Rubella one more time. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to speak with one of our TruTrade trading professionals. Please go ahead and click the button. You'll be able to chat with them online and they'll go ahead and schedule an appointment to talk with either Brian or myself. Thank you again.